guys. So I was planning on starting this vlog yesterday. And the plan was it was going to be a college week in my life studying for midterms. But I get to class yesterday and I'm just sitting there reading because I got to class like 40 minutes early. I usually do because I walk Zach to his bus too, and he has to leave earlier than I do because his school's farther away. And so I was just waiting for my class to start, and I was getting really annoyed because a big group of people came and basically were all up in my space. They were talking to this girl next to me, and literally 10 of them came up and they were just crowding me, and I was trying to just sit there and peacefully read, and they were being super loud and obnoxious anyways, so I was getting really mad. And then I hear one of them start talking about how they're so stressed out for this midterm and all of this, and how they're so not prepared, and I'm sitting there thinking, wait a minute, the midterm's not until Thursday, and this is Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday, today's Wednesday. And so then I start freaking out. I'm like, what are they talking about? The midterm's on Thursday. Today we're supposed to review for the midterm. We never reviewed for the midterm. So I get my syllabus out and look at it. Nope, the midterm was yesterday, not Thursday, and I was so not ready. I didn't go to class on Monday because that class is an hour and 20 minutes long, and I've never spent longer than 20 minutes in that class. And I looked at the lecture ahead of time, and I just did not feel the need to waste the time getting all the way there, just spend 20 minutes and then spend all the time coming back. It just wasn't worth it to me. So I decided not to go, and I could have freaking been studying all day Monday, and even the entire weekend. I spent most of the weekend reading, and I did some housework, but I was just relaxing most of the weekend and read. And so now, yeah, I was really mad. I didn't even have a calculator. I'm about to sit down and work on some orders. I didn't go to class again today because it's that short one. Well, it's not supposed to be short, but it is short. Zach just went to school, so I'm going to bust out these orders before he gets home. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably study for a quiz I have on Friday. And then I've really been on a reading kick right now. My goal is 1 book a week, and I've almost finished 6 so far, and it's January 30th. So, yeah, I really want to just lay in bed and do some reading. So that is going to be my day, and I will update you guys later.
You're not fooling me, not fooling me.
2 days later.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Echoes really loud in here. And it's really late. But we're going to Taco Bell and McDonald's. We're going to try both of their nacho cheese fries and test which one is better. We're not planning on doing this. It's literally
Spontaneous.
11:15, and we were just talking about a restaurant by our high school, and I said something about I used to always get cheese fries from there, and I was like, ooh, McDonald's has cheese fries now, because I saw the other day they had cheese fries, and then we were like, yeah, let's go test them. So that's what we're doing now.
We have to remember that Taco Bell has cheese fries.
Yeah.
I don't think they're that good. So
yeah, I saw Taco Bell's came back too, so we're gonna see which is better, because I've heard Taco Bell's are not good. I haven't heard anything about McDonald's though.
I think that McDonald's is gonna be better.
And I need a break from homework before I have another mental breakdown. You're not parked on this floor. We're trying to find Zach's truck.
We're lost in the.
It's kind of dark, so you can barely see me. But we got our Taco Bell fries. Now we gotta go all the way to Springfield to go to McDonald's, because McDonald's, the only one that's open in Eugene, only the drive-thru's open, and the drive-thru line was literally 10 times the length of Taco Bell, and it was all the way out into the street.
Yeah, we couldn't even pull into the McDonald's parking lot.
Yeah, there's only 3 cars at Taco Bell, which is weird because I feel like Taco Bell is always like 1,000 times busier no matter what time of the day. And there's like nobody at Taco Bell, but McDonald's was crazy busy. So now we're going all the way to Springfield, and hopefully this one isn't busy because it's the only one in Springfield apparently, or at least the only one that's open.
I'm surprised there's not more McDonald's here.
Yeah, I was only looking at the ones that are open though, so hopefully this one isn't busy because it's now 11:39. I still have homework to finish. We both still have to study for our test tomorrow. Luckily, we don't have class until 2. Okay, we just got to McDonald's. Their line here still is super long. Like, where you pick your food up is all the way over at this end. I don't think so. I think those are homeless people. And Zach freaking
middle-aged lady
was waiting to turn here, and he didn't know this car was turning because they didn't have their blinker on, and then literally as soon as he like stopped, they turned their blinker on and turned in front of us. So that's cool, and he's very mad.
I was trying to do the nice thing and like not cut them off before I turned into McDonald's, and they ended up taking our spot in line. Like I thought they were just gonna go straight and I was gonna turn in. But
this line is literally so long. Like I don't even think you actually like pay until like over here.
Like yeah.
Like that's so long. There's probably like 15 cars in front of us. Okay, so since this McDonald's line is so long, we're gonna try our Taco Bell nacho fries right now. So it was $1.29.
$1.29.
And you got like a little fry and a little thing of cheese. I think like these fries honestly might be like hella good because they're like seasoned.
I don't know.
We're actually moving now.
I think McDonald's is gonna have better.
Ooh, this cheese is warm.
Honestly, Taco Bell has the dopest nacho cheese.
The seasoning on the fries is good, but I don't really like the fry itself.
I like the cheese.
I'm not saying a lot because I love potatoes. Maybe it's because they're cold.
Maybe.
The cheese is good.
The cheese is super good.
And the seasoning on the fries is good.
I could just get some chips and like dip it in this and eat it.
Definitely do that instead of freaking Chipotle's nasty freaking cheese sauce. I'm so unhealthy, guys. See at my room tour that I upload after this video sometime? We literally have a basket in our room just full of junk food. It's full of like candy and chips and nacho cheese.
That's
So
what
you're
I
just
do.
saying that Taco Bell's nacho cheese is hella good and McDonald's fries are probably gonna be really good. So like what we should do is get McDonald's fries and Taco Bell's nacho cheese, and that would be bomb.
What do you want the drink to be?
Root beer, please.
Yeah, root beer.
What for the drink?
Root beer?
Okay, so we just got home to the parking garage. We got our McDonald's cheese fries. We asked for no bacon, and they still gave us bacon.
Frickin' McDonald's, man. Never fails.
So, yeah. Oh, I just got cheese on my sweatpants.
What the hell? I thought that was like a crumb or something. Let's see what it looks like.
Their cheese is not good.
No?
It tastes like the melted like hamburger cheese.
For real? Big fry.
It even looks like it too. Like it's not even like, I don't know. These fries aren't even good. I'm not eating this.
Wait, hold on.
The fries aren't even good. Like I don't know if it's just because we came late at night, but like these fries are hard.
What the hell? That's so disappointing.
These fries taste like cardboard. Like literally, like McDonald's fries are usually so good, and these literally taste like cardboard.
These taste like they're like a day old.
So I thought I was gonna like the McDonald's fries better, but that's a big thumbs down for me. Blech.
This tastes like the stuff that like, you know, it comes in the individual slices that you unfold.
Yeah, that's what it tastes
That's what
like.
it tastes
It's like
like.
that stuff melted.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that Kraft like single slices that literally taste like that melted. It doesn't even taste like
And
nacho
these
cheese.
fries are disgusting.
The next day.
So I just got home from school and made a early dinner. Zach left to go to his brother's house in California for the weekend, so it's just me this weekend, me and my girls. I think we're gonna go to a hockey game tonight. I'll try to film that a little bit if I can, but maybe I'll put that in a different vlog. We'll see. Because we have the footage from last night's Taco Bell versus McDonald's cheese fries, and McDonald's was disgusting. I definitely would not recommend them. I would definitely eat Taco Bells again. Like, when his mom was here, we all went to Taco Bell, and I never eat Taco Bell, so I didn't really know what to get. I would definitely get those again. Like, if we went to Taco Bell, I wouldn't go out of my way to get them probably. But their nacho cheese was really good, and I really liked their seasoning on their fries. Dinner, I just made some noodles with like canned beef stew. It looks gross, but it's really good. And I just have some bread and butter. That little pink spot is jelly because Zachary got jelly in the butter. So yeah, I'm just going to eat my food. I think that's gonna be it for today's vlog. I do have some filming to do this weekend, so you guys will definitely be seeing more of me more regularly, more frequently, because I know I really have not been sticking to my upload schedule, so I definitely want to do that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you've tried the cheese fries, let me know which ones you liked better. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.